Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I have a review and packing video on a diaper bag that is under $50. This bag here is made by Miss Fong. All right, I want to start off today's video with thanking Miss Fong for sponsoring today's video and sending over this bag to review and pack up for you guys. This is the very first time I am featuring Miss Fong here on my channel, but it is a brand that keeps getting brought up a bunch over the years. Miss Fong has a couple of different style diaper bags, backpacks, convertible bags, accessories. So I definitely recommend checking out the link that I have below so you can see all of the different styles that Miss Fong is offering. So today, this bag here is kind of her bucket diaper bag, if you will. It is just her regular diaper bag that is convertible, and it is in, of course, the color black with gold hardware. This color, or this particular bag, has come in a bunch of different colors over the years. I believe right now, on her website, there are a couple of different options of this bag. It's just something about a classic black bag with this gold hardware that I really, really love. So let's go ahead and get into the features on the outside of this bag. Then I'll put the camera up like I typically do for you guys and show you how I have the inside packed up. So on the front here, you have a big kind of open pocket and a zipper pocket here. Now I want to go ahead and say that this bag is packed up for our day out. The past couple of days, I actually had a doctor's appointment at the chiropractor, threw my back out, something terrible, but that's neither here nor there. But so we were out and about, and that's what this bag is packed up for, myself and my 3 kids. So it's a little bit of a hot mess, but it's still kind of organized. So it's like a real life packing video. So anyways, back to the bag. Right here in the front of this pocket, it's a really good kind of catch-all for things that you need to grab. Of course, nowadays, oh, I had 2 little treasures in here. I didn't even know were in here. 2 Lego men right there in the top. But basically in here, I was keeping my face masks for going in and out of places. This was just a good spot to kind of pop them into. Then I also had a package of wet ones because I was using those a ton, of course. And then I have hand sanitizer tucked down in here. This is just a spray hand sanitizer. So that's what I have in this kind of big pocket here in the front. You can actually put a lot in this pocket. Depending on what you have on the inside, will of course like bulk up the front there, but it's a nice big size. Then in this zipper pocket here, I just have a couple of things that I use a lot. I have been taking Advil like crazy because of my back. Also Aquaphor like lip balm and my NYX lip gloss. So those are things that I use all the time. So that's everything that I have here in this front pocket. Moving on to the side pockets, I'll go ahead and start with this one over here. Attached to the ring on the side of the bag, I actually just have my O-Venture ring and my car keys. I always just kind of have this attached to the side of my bag because it makes it really easy. If I need to just grab this and go, it's like right there for me. So I have that there. Then down inside this side pocket of the bag, it is a really, really deep pocket. Like my entire hand can go down in there. But I have the inside of the bag packed pretty full, so I actually don't have anything in this outside pocket or this zipper pocket. But it's a really good pocket if you want to throw some gum or some hair ties or little kid toys or whatever you have. That's a great side pocket for that. I don't have anything in it. Over here, however, on this pocket, which is exactly the same, you just have a big pocket and a zipper. I don't have anything in the zipper, but I do have my Jujubee sunglass case. This is the Be Shady in Duchess print, and inside here it holds my regular reading glasses, my sunglasses, and some eyeglass wipes for my daughter and I's sunglasses. This is a pretty fat case, and I had no problem sticking it in that side pocket. Moving on to the back of the bag, one of the features I love about this particular bag is the grab handle at the top. This is a really nice grab handle. It's big. It's not like a short grab handle that you have a hard time picking up. It's like a nice size, and it is the soft leather material that the bag is made out of. It's just a really great feature to have on there, so you don't have to grab the straps if you're getting the bag like in and out of your car or wherever you're taking it. On the back here, you have 2 seatbelt straps that make this bag backpack carry option available. If you don't want to use it backpack way, you can actually unhook them and tuck them inside this snap pocket back here. I actually have them all set for backpack because I was preferring to wear it that way. I also have attached here the optional crossbody strap that you can throw either crossbody over your body, or you can put it over your shoulder. So either one, that's what kind of makes this bag a convertible carry bag, is there's so many different ways that you can carry it. Like I said, I just kind of prefer to keep all of the options there, and that way I can grab it and use it however I want to use it. Also in this back pocket here, I'm actually going to unhook this one as well. In this back pocket of the bag, at the very bottom there, you have a zipper that goes the whole way across. So if you don't have anything back here, or you're not using it as a back pocket, you can actually slip a luggage bar up the back of it so that you can carry it on your suitcase if you're traveling. So I thought that was a really neat feature option down there as well. In here, however, I'm using it as a pocket. I have it attached here with one magnetic closure, and I just have my planner back there. This is the Simplified Weekly Planner. I'm actually starting to kind of get back into using a planner, even though life has been pretty dead here the past couple of weeks. I also had my son's iPad in there, a regular size iPad. You can of course fit an iPad mini. My 13-inch MacBook fits great back there. So it is a nice deep pocket that you can put a lot in. He actually has the iPad at the moment, but it is also very cushioned right back here. So it's gonna protect whatever you have back here in the sleeve. All right, looking down at the very top of the bag, it is kind of a U-shaped bucket tote here, if you will. You have one zipper that goes the entire way around the bag for you to open it up. The back flap here does fold completely backwards if you wanted to kind of keep this open while it's sitting in your car or out somewhere. It will not flap forward on you or anything like that. It folds down really, really well. So sitting right here on top, like I said, this was packed up for kind of going out the past 2 days. This is a paper airplane. And then I have two rescue bots. These are for my youngest. These are like his life right now. It's everything he's playing with at the moment. So those are two nice big toys that fit really well right there on top. So right there you can see that kind of bigger things that you would have, like little loveys or baby blankets or anything like that. You can definitely have a lot of extra room here at the top with everything packed on the inside. So this bag here is full of internal organization. Like I only have one particular pouch packed in here. However, I will say that if you are a pouch packer, if you like to kind of organize things in little bags, which I do like to do a lot of times, they will all fit in here perfect. It is a really big bag, but when you stuff all of the pockets that are available in this bag, you of course don't have as much room in the middle. So just something to keep in mind, there are tons of different ways you can obviously pack this bag up. So looking down the inside, you have one zipper pocket here at the front. You have two insulated pockets here on the side. You have another pocket here, a zip pocket, two more pockets, and then another zip pocket. So let's go ahead and see what I have packed up inside. We'll start with the middle of the bag. Over here in this insulated pocket, I just have my water bottle that I was using. It is elastic here at the top and insulated. So of course, if you have a tumbler, you don't necessarily need to put it in the pocket, and you can just kind of shove the pocket on the side and put your cup in there. If you have baby bottles, you'll absolutely have no problem keeping them hot or cold on the side pockets there. So they're really nice insulated pockets. Then in the middle here, the only thing that I have is my Lily Jade small packing case, and that is full of all of our snacks. A ton fit inside these cases. I love, of course, the black and the gold and how it complements the bag. It like matches. But in here, like I said, is all of our snacks for out and about. Then down in here, I will start with this kind of back here. You have a super long key leash that you can just kind of leave in your bag. I have mine tucked inside because I don't have my keys on them. I had them attached to the outside of the bag. This here is my little packed party phone charger that I always have with me. Then I have my Limea coin purse, and inside here I just have a yellow reusable straw. I think it opens somehow over here. Yes, that's just an on-the-go straw that I've been keeping in here with my AirPods. And both of these things fit awesome inside this little leather coin purse. I love it. It's one of my new favorite accessories. So that's what I have attached here to this key leash, so it's really easy to kind of grab and go, but look how long that is. It is a really nice length. I don't have anything else in that pocket. I'll tuck that back in there. Then right next to it, you actually have a zip pocket, and I decided to put our little first aid type things in here. This is a small little pouch from one of my Dagny Dover bags, and it just has things like Band-Aids, Neosporin, travel scissors, nail clippers, tweezers, that kind of thing inside there. Then directly under it, I have a tin made by Welly, and this is one of the children's medicine. It's a newer one that's out by them. I just recently got it at Target. But when you open up the inside of it, it has children's stomach soothers, pain relievers, allergy medication, and then of course just all of the information about what's in the tin. So it's a perfect little kind of on-the-go emergency type medicine thing, and it fits down in that pocket really well. So that's everything I have in these two pockets of the bag. This zip pocket back here is another nice big one. I just have a notebook for kind of drawing. It's a simplified notebook, and a play pack right next to that. I have a small Jujubee set piece, and in this I just have more toys for my youngest. This is all of his little mini cars for on the go, and this small set piece fits a ton of them perfectly. So I just have that down in there. That is what I have in these back pocket, but I do want to show you how deep this is. Another great pocket for electronics or notebooks, coloring books, what have you. Like, you can really fit a lot down in that pocket. Turning the bag around, on the front here, you have two more pockets, and then you have a zip pocket. In this pocket here, I just have a pen and my hand cream. This is a Perfectly Posh kind of melon coconut, and then my simplified planner pen. And I had obviously tons more room. That was just kind of like my pocket, my catch-all for my things. Then over here in this one, I just have a pack of gum and some tissues for myself. Then the last thing I have in here is in this zipper pocket right here that you actually have the Miss Fong logo on right there. And this holds my wallet. This particular pocket does not go as deep as this back zipper pocket here. It's the perfect, I would say it's about halfway and it goes up. It's a great pocket if you need to grab things out a little bit more often than that other pocket there in the back. I think it's great for a wallet. Because it is just really easily accessible. You can kind of unzip it and grab it. This is my Limea wallet that I am literally obsessed with. It is such awesome quality, and I've been loving it. I'm gonna do a full review on this one, but it has all my cards, more hand sanitizer, a nice little wristlet, so I'm able to just grab this and go and not have to bring my whole bag. So I have that right there. It will also fit in these side pockets, just kind of a little FYI. So that is everything I have packed up inside the Miss Fong. Please head over to my Instagram, because this bag here is going to be given away over there from Miss Fong, so I'm super excited about that. All the information for this bag and the giveaway will be linked below in my description box. So I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to you on my next video.